Hey guys, this is Xamarin guys. So in this tutorial we are going to work with title view, that is our navigation bar icons as well as text. So in this project, this is our title view where I have attached three icons which are fixed in our title view. You can place text too inside our title view. So let's create our first Xamarin Forms title view project. Our title view project is referring Xamarin Forms 3.6 and above. So at first you need to understand that in very simple words, whenever app loads, that is our main page loads, at that time we can't add title view properties on that page. So we'll create one button inside our main page and then only we'll navigate to a new page, that is my test page. That is our navigation title test button, which will navigate to our my test page after clicking that, and then only that my test page.xaml will be added with navigation bar properties. I think you have understood that this is our simple button that is placed in our main page that will navigate to my test page after clicking on that, and then only that navigated page will contain the navigation bar property. So this is my click handler that will go to my test page.xaml after clicking on that. So let's go to our click handler, and then my test page is my navigated page, and then we are going to set the navigation bar properties inside our my test page. So in order to create a new page, we'll select content page XAML and then give its name as my test page.xaml, and then we'll navigate from our main page, that is our starting page, to the respected page. So now only we can add our navigation bar properties. You can see over here we have navigation page.title view property attached to our my test page.xaml. Let's add one label control. Let's give it as test app, that's all, and let's place it at center of our app. That's all. Now you can see navigation page.title view will contain three buttons and placed inside our absolute layout. That is because we are fixing three items inside our navigation page.title view. You can see over here these three buttons will hold icons that were downloaded from Android Asset Studio. Now let's go to Android Asset Studio. Then inside our action bar and tab icon generator, we are going to generate as many icons that we require. So for this project I have added three icons. This is my first icon and this is my second icon that I have added. So let us select that and give a custom color. Here I have added white color for that icon, and then after that giving its name, any name as you like, and then download it. And after downloading that icon, you will find it on that respected place. This is my icon that was downloaded. After selecting on XHDPI, I have directly placed that icon inside our resources folder. So this is our menu that was downloaded and then placed inside our resources folder of iOS, and along with that Android, we'll just drag and drop all the respected images on drawable HDPI, XHDPI, double XHDPI and triple XHDPI. There are some third-party tools which will convert your icons for both Android and iOS. You can use that method too. Now here absolute layout.layout flags is equals to position proportional. That is because we are going to fix that items on absolute position. Here absolute layout.layout flags is equals to 0, 0 will represent the items is at 0, 0 position, that is x and y axis. This is my x axis that is on one position, and 1 is our last elements position, and 0.8 will be at a little bit beside of 1th position, and y axis will be 0, and width and height will be 40 by 40. That's all. Now inside our code behind part, here I am setting back button as false because we are going to place one icon instead of our given back button. Our bar background color is of azure color. Here I haven't used any text, so we can comment this code. That's all. So let's run our project and see our last output. Okay, we got our expected output. That's all for this tutorial now. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.